Yeah, man. Yeah, 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 yeah. What a match, though. What a match. Congratulations, first of all, to Amanda, to Amapagania. From me, like as a Kosi fan, I'd just like to say congratulations for them. Even I won't be saying it like I'm hyper, right? Because I'll be honest. I would like actually say that that would be wouldn't be genuine of me. So yeah, what a match. We are seeing the same mistakes. A thing that happened on the previous match last week against Sundowns and Pirates. Yenzekile again. And I actually, okay, first of all, I just want to say there's a coach that's going to lose his job. Definitely after this game, I think they're already like recruiting another coach. And I'm so disappointed.